Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of those pesky OneDrive icons cluttering up your Windows experience. Whether you just want to tidy up your system tray or completely remove OneDrive from your PC, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need, and you'll walk away knowing how to clear up space, stop unwanted syncing, and keep things looking nice and clean. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle the quickest fix, hiding the OneDrive icon from your taskbar. Sometimes you just don't want to see the cloud icon staring back at you, even if you're not quite ready to ditch OneDrive altogether. Here, how you do it, just right-click your taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down until you see the Other System Tray section. It might also be labeled Notification Area Icons depending on your version. Here you'll find a list of all the little system icons that appear near your clock. Find OneDrive in the list and toggle it off. And that's it, the icon will disappear from your taskbar. Keep in mind you're not actually stopping OneDrive or uninstalling it. You're just giving your workspace a visual declutter. Sometimes that's really all you need. Now, if you want to go further and actually stop OneDrive from syncing and showing up in File Explorer, this next step is for you, and honestly, this is what I recommend starting with. Click on the OneDrive cloud icon, usually down by the clock, then click the small gear icon for settings. In the window that opens, go over to the Account tab. Here you'll see an option that says Unlink this PC. Go ahead and click that. Windows will double-check with you, so confirm in the pop-up. What you're doing here is disconnecting your Microsoft account from this specific device's OneDrive. That means OneDrive will stop syncing files between your computer and the cloud, and the folders will be unlinked from File Explorer. When you restart your computer, you'll notice the OneDrive icon is also gone from the taskbar and the navigation pane in folders. If you want to use OneDrive again someday, don't worry, nothing's lost. You can always sign back in. Let's keep going, because even after unlinking, OneDrive might try to relaunch itself next time your PC starts up. So the next best step is to stop OneDrive from launching when you power on your computer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open the Task Manager, or just right-click the taskbar and choose Task Manager. When that opens, look at the top for the Startup tab. This tab shows you everything that Windows starts in the background every time you boot. Scroll through until you find Microsoft OneDrive, right-click it and choose Disable. That's it, you've cut off OneDrive at the starting line so it won't sneak back next time you turn on your device. This helps keep your computer running faster with fewer unnecessary background apps. Finally, if you're sure you don't want OneDrive at all, maybe you prefer another cloud service, or you just don't need it, you can uninstall it entirely for the most permanent solution. Head to your control panel and find Programs and Features, or if you're using the newer Windows settings, go to Apps and then Apps and Features. Look through the list for Microsoft OneDrive, right-click or hit the three dots and select Uninstall. The process only takes a few moments, and just like that, OneDrive is gone from your PC. No more icons, no more background syncing, nothing left to bother you. And there you have it. Whether you only wanted to hide an icon or you're ready to say goodbye to OneDrive for good, you now know exactly how to keep your Windows setup as clean as you like. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave any questions or tips of your own in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.